BMW F900Gs and F900 GSA launched in India with exciting features. BMW Motorrad India has officially launched the F900Gs and F900 GSA motorcycles. The F900Gs is priced at 13.75 lakh rupees, while the GSA costs 14.75 lakh rupees. Deliveries for both models are set to begin in October 2024 across India. These new motorcycles feature a powerful 895cc engine, enhancing performance and ride quality. The F900 series replaces the older F850 models, marking a significant upgrade in the lineup. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest motorcycle launches.